This is how to change the battery in a Chamberlain garage door opener. First, take this clip off, and here at the back there's a little groove, screwdriver, and you put it in the groove, and then you got to work this off very carefully. Then you want to take this out. This garage door opener takes a 3V battery. This is two 3V Energizer batteries, and there's two grooves right here. When you're putting this in, there's two grooves up here at the top. So if you'll slide these in first, and then these two will accept it. Back. Slide this back on. You should be good to go.